Question 2 here states that what is the molar mass of calcium? So what is the molar mass of calcium? Okay, so this is what is a molar mass of calcium. So again, take a moment to think about this question, and then particularly think about this topic of what is a molar mass. And again, we might need our periodic table. So I'm gonna shift this back here, and you can find. Let me know if you find calcium here. So it says here, what is the molar mass? So we have to define what is a molar mass, and where calcium is on the periodic table. So take a moment to think about this. Again, if you're in the chat, feel free to answer this question as well as we look at this problem here. So it says, what is the molar mass of calcium? What is the molar mass of calcium? So when we talk about this topic of molar mass, what we're talking about is the atomic, it's specific to a specific element, right? So for example, how we figure out molar mass is we simply just look at the periodic table and we look at the atomic mass of the element. So in terms of calcium, where is calcium in our periodic table? Is it a metal or a non-metal? So in this case, and in all cases actually, calcium is a metal, right? And the metals are on the left side of a periodic table. So calcium, as you can see, is in this is in row 4 or period 4 and in group number 2, right? So if we have that, then what we can do is we have here calcium, and we can look at the atomic mass of calcium. So let's look at here. This is calcium here. It says the atomic number is 20. That's our molar mass. Our molar mass is our atomic mass of our of calcium, right? It's basically saying how many grams per mole there is in for molar mass, right? So this is measured in grams per mole. So in one mole of calcium, how many grams would it weigh? And in this case, it would be 40.07, right? So this here, so the molar mass of calcium, so basically big M, and I denote using big M of calcium equals, so this here states the molar mass of calcium equals, it would equal basically 40.078, right? 40.078, and this is in grams per mole. So basically, it's saying in 1 mole of calcium, I have 40.078 grams per 1 mole. So that's kind of my answer here. So molar mass of calcium is this answer. I feel like there's a tool with a square as well. There is. Nice. So this here is our answer, 40.078 grams for moles of calcium. And we can go back and we can look at our solution here. So it says here, molar mass of any given chemical element is given in grams per mole. That's great. That's what we said before. There are following steps to calculate the molar mass of any compound here. And basically what they're saying is they're finding the number of atoms and the relative, and then they're referring back to the periodic table. And basically you're summing all of those molar masses together. So that's great, except in this case it's just calcium, right? It's not calcium hydroxide or calcium chloride or something like that. So we only have one atom of, or we only have one mole of calcium here. So it says here, which means what's the molar mass here? I could just simply look at the periodic table. It's 40.078, so they rounded it up to 40 grams per mole. So this here is a correct answer. So great solution and step by step. And I guess definitions and in defining the molar mass is. Sweet, solutions correct.